Is the Google IT cert really worth it? What's up, everybody? This is your boy Tech G back with another video. And in this video, we are going to be talking about the Google IT Support Professional Certificate to find out this cert is even worth the time. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so here we are, ladies and gentlemen, on a website called Coursera.org, Coursera.org. And this is where you can find information about the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. So let's go ahead and go through some of this, shall we? So it says the Launchpad to a Career in IT. This program is designed to take beginner learners to job readiness in under 6 months. And as you can see here in the yellow box, it says you can enroll for free starting today, which is May 21st, 2020. And there are already 209,590 people enrolled. So it says, here's some of the skills that you will learn. You're going to learn binary, customer support, Linux, troubleshooting, DNS or domain name system / server, IP version 4, network model, PowerShell, Linux file systems, command line interface, directory service, and LDAP, lightweight directory access protocol. All right, if you look here on your right, it says all these classes are 100% free. Flexible scheduling, beginner level. It's going to take you 8 months. Wow, 8 months to complete this course. Oh, that's if you go at a 4 hours a week pace. Okay. And it's available in English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Arabic. All right. So let's see. It says about this professional cert. So this is a 5-course certification developed by Google. Includes innovative curriculum designed to prepare you for an entry-level role in IT support. A job in IT can mean in-person or remote help desk work in a small business or at a global company like Google. This program is part of Grow with Google, a Google initiative to help create economic opportunities for all Americans. Because upon completion of the cert, you can share your information with top employers like Cognizant, GE Digital, Hulu, Infosys, Intel, Kforce, and a whole bunch of other people, to include Walmart and then Google. It says you can also earn a CompTIA and Google dual credential when you complete the Google cert and pass the CompTIA A+ certification exam. Let's check this out. What is the dual credential thing? What is this about? This is the information on the dual credential. It says a new way for job seekers to stand out to IT recruiters. So it says that's off almost 2 years ago, blah, 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 blah. All right, here we go. It says, now Google is teaming up with CompTIA, a nonprofit trade association, to provide a dual badge of completion. Employers widely recognize the CompTIA A+ cert as a valued credential for high growth IT support roles. Now learners who complete the Google IT Support Professional Cert and pass the CompTIA A+ certification exams will have access to a new dual credential from CompTIA and Google, a badge that can be posted on LinkedIn to catch the attention of potential employers. Okay, so I know what this is. So in CompTIA, if you get a certain amount of certifications, like I got one. I don't know if I can pull it up here. Anyways, if you get a certain amount of certifications, they'll issue you these special badges. Like let's just say you get A+, Net Plus, and Security Plus. You might get issued a special badge from CompTIA saying that you are a CompTIA IT operations specialist or a CIOS. It's just like some sort of in-house merit achievement badge, kind of like how the Cub Scouts and Boy Scouts have merit badges. You complete certain things, you get a badge. That's kind of what it is. And I guess in theory, if you put it on LinkedIn or on your resume, I guess it's supposed to help you stand out. But I believe it's only going to help you stand out if potential employers actually know what these badges stand for. I don't know how many people actually know what these badges mean, but I'm talking about people that actually work in IT. But regardless, it's okay, I guess. Anyway, let's go back to the other site. All right, it says through a mix of video lectures, quizzes, and hands-on labs and widgets, the program will introduce you to troubleshooting, customer service, networking, operating systems, system administration, and security. You'll hear from Googlers with unique backgrounds whose own foundation in IT support served as a jumping off point for their careers. By dedicating less than 5 hours a week, you can complete in under 6 months. Completing the program, you can earn up to 12 college credits, the equivalent of 4 associate degree level courses. Okay. Applied Learning Project says through this professional certificate program, you'll have access to a variety of hands-on assessments, which will help you to simulate many of the experiences of IT support that are critical for success in the workplace. Examples of virtual assessments include assembling a computer network simulation, writing effective support documentation, routing paths and subnets, wireless networking, device software management, public key or asymmetric encryption, incident handling, among other hands-on learning applications. Okay, that sounds real interesting. You'll get a lot of virtual assistance. So basically, if you don't have a computer to tinker around with or some type of networking equipment to tinker around with, then I'm assuming Google provided a virtual lab for you to get it popping out there. So that sounds real interesting, especially for those of you who really want to get your lab on or get some hands-on experience. It says, what is a professional cert? All right, so let's skip. Well, let's see. It says, build the skills to get job ready. Whether you are looking to start a new career or change your current one, professional certificates on Coursera help you become job ready. Learn at your own pace, whenever and whenever it's most convenient for you. Enroll today and explore a new career path with a 7-day free trial. You can pause your learning or end your subscription at any time. Hands-on projects. Apply your skills with hands-on projects and build a portfolio that showcases your job readiness to potential employers. You'll need to successfully finish the projects to earn your certificate. And that sounds pretty interesting. It says earn a career credential. When you complete all of the courses in the program, you'll earn a certificate to share your professional network, as well as unlock access to career support resources to help you kickstart your new career. Many professional certs have hiring partners that recognize the professional certificate credential, and others can help prepare you for a certification exam. To find more info on individual professional, I don't know why I keep stumbling over this word. You can find more information on individual professional certificate pages where it applies. All right, so let's get to the meat of all this. So it says there are 5 courses in this professional certificate. You have the Technical Support Fundamentals. It says this course is the first of a series that aims to prepare you for a role as an entry-level IT support specialist. In this course, you'll be introduced to the world of IT. You'll learn about the different facets of IT, like computer hardware, the internet, computer software, troubleshooting, and customer service. This course covers a wide variety of topics in IT that are designed to give you an overview of what's to come in the certificate program. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand how the binary system works, assemble a computer from scratch, choose and install an operating system on a computer, understand what the internet is, how it works, and how the impact it has in the modern world. Learn how applications are created and how they work under the hood of a computer. Utilize common problem-solving methodologies and soft skills in an information technology setting. All right, so this sounds like somewhat of a combination of the IT fundamentals and the actual CompTIA A+ certification. That's what it kind of sounds like to me based off of what I just read. All right, so let's get to the next course. This is the Bits and Bytes of Computer Networking. This course is designed to provide a full overview of computer networking. We'll cover everything from the fundamentals of modern networking technologies and protocols to an overview of the cloud to practical applications and network troubleshooting. By the end of this course, you'll be able to describe computer networks in terms of a 5-layer model, understand all the standard protocols involved with the TCP/IP communications, grasp powerful network troubleshooting tools and techniques, learn network services like DNS and DHCP that help make computer networks run, understand cloud computing everything as a service and cloud storage. So this sounds like the CompTIA Network Plus certification. That's what this class kind of sounds like a little bit. Next, we have the operating systems. So operating systems are you becoming a power user. In this course, through a combination of video lectures, demonstrations, and hands-on practice, you'll learn about the main components of an operating system and how to perform critical tasks like managing software and users and configuring hardware. By the end of this course, you'll be able to navigate the Windows and Linux file systems using a GUI, graphical user interface, or CLI, command line interpreter, set up users, groups, permissions for account access, install, configure, and remove software on the Windows and Linux OS, configure disk partitions and file systems, understand how system processes work and how to manage them, work with system logs and remote connection tools, utilize operating system knowledge to troubleshoot common issues in a IT support specialist role. This sounds something related to a particular Microsoft certification. I can't actually think of the name of it. Or, it kind of sounds like that. Then it also kind of sounds like it blends some knowledge from the A+ software exam, the 220-1002 exam. All right, next we have the system admin and IT infrastructure services. It says this course will transition you from working on a single computer to an entire fleet. System admins is the field of IT that's responsible for maintaining reliable computer systems in a multi-user environment. In this course, you'll learn about the infrastructure services that keep all organizations, big and small, up and running. We'll deep dive on cloud so that you'll understand everything from typical cloud infrastructure setups to how to manage cloud resources. You'll also learn how to manage and configure servers and how to use industry tools to manage computers, user info, and user productivity. Finally, you'll learn how to recover your organization's IT infrastructure in the event of a disaster. So by the end of this course, you'll be able to utilize best practices for choosing hardware, vendors, and services for your organization. Understand how the most common infrastructure services that keep an organization running work, and how to manage infrastructure servers. Understand how to make the most of the cloud for your organization. Manage an organization's computers and users using the directory services, Active Directory, and Open LDAP. Choose and manage the tools that your organization will use. Back up your organization's data and how to recover your IT infrastructure in the case of a disaster. Utilize systems administration knowledge to plan and improve processes for IT environments. So that is the System Administration and IT Infrastructure Services course. All right, and finally, you got the IT Security Defense Against the Digital Dark Arts. All right, this is probably going to be some Security Plus. This is probably what this is actually about to be. It says this course will covers a wide variety of IT security concepts, tools, and best practices. It introduces threats and attacks in many ways they can show up. We'll give you some background of encryption algorithms and how they're used to safeguard data. Then we'll dive into the 3 A's, information security, authentication, authorization, and accounting. We'll also cover network security solutions ranging from firewalls to Wi-Fi encryption options. Finally, we'll go through a case study where we examine the security model of Chrome operating system. The course is rounded out by putting all these elements together into a multi-layered, in-depth security architecture, followed by recommendations on how to integrate a culture of security into your organization or team. At the end of this course, you'll understand how various encryption algorithms and techniques work, as well as their benefits and limitations, various authentication systems and types, the difference between authenticate and authorization, how to evaluate potential risks, and recommend ways to reduce risk, best practices for securing a network, how to help others grasp security concepts and protect themselves. All right, so this kind of sounds like the CompTIA Security Plus certification with some of it blended with maybe some CompTIA Network Plus stuff in there as well. All right, so those are the courses that they're going to be offering on this Google IT Support Professional Certification. And you can enroll for free starting today, May 21st, according to this website right here. Let's see what else it says on here. So you're going to get your Google IT Support Certification. That looks like that right there. It says it's taught by top companies and universities, affordable programs, and 7-day free trial. Apply your skills with hands-on projects, learn on your own schedule. You got videos you can watch, and do some reading, quizzes and assignments, no degree or experience required from any programs, shareable certification upon completion. All right. All right, let's see. We got some of the FAQs. So, what is the refund policy? Because if you subscribe, you get a 7-day free trial during which you can cancel at no penalty. After that, we don't give refunds. Okay. Because can I just enroll in a single course? Yes, you can. Is this course really online? Yes, it is. What is IT support? I've already explained that in previous videos. Why did Google create this program? Google has long faced an issue that many other companies also contend with. We had open IT support roles and not enough qualified candidates to fill them. Oh, wow, that's amazing. That's something that I always talk about in real life. Now, there are so many IT jobs out there and just not enough qualified people to fill roles. Like they're begging for people to get certified so that they can hire people. All right. You don't need any IT knowledge to take this course. What else? Let me get to the good stuff. Like what kind of companies hire? All right. Well, we already know what type of companies hire. I've already talked about that on previous videos. Says, will completing the certificate prepare me for the CompTIA A+ exam? It says the Google IT Support Professional Cert program aligns with the objectives covered by the newly updated CompTIA A+ certification. Upon completion of the certificate program, you can download the CompTIA A+ exam objectives to ensure you study everything before taking the exam. All right, so here's my opinion about the Google IT Support Professional certification. Are you going to be able to just take this certification and go out there, slap it on your resume and get a job? More than likely, no. No, you're not, because all you got to do is just head on over to websites like Indeed, Monster, or Career Builder. Look for entry-level IT jobs, or just type in IT support or something like that, and then go read the description for the job. And I highly doubt that you're going to see a requirement for the job stating that you have to have a Google IT support professional certificate. I highly doubt that's going to happen. Now, does that mean that you shouldn't take this course? Absolutely not. They say this course is free, or at least you can enroll for free starting on May 21st. I don't know exactly if it's 100% free because they keep saying that there's financial aid available and then some other stuff in here. So I don't see any prices listed on here unless I missed something. Let me go down and go back to the FAQ. See, they talk about a refund policy. So I don't know exactly how much these classes cost to take. Surprised they don't actually list the prices on. I don't know. Well, at the bare minimum, you can at least join for free. I don't know exactly how much it costs. It doesn't have it listed on here. I'll probably have to do some more Googling somewhere. But regardless, let's just say you decide you want to take this course. Well, and let's just say assume it's 100% free. Well, that's a plus for you because they're going to teach you a lot of stuff that you're going to have to learn in CompTIA's curriculum anyway to get the A+, Net+, and Security+. So, assuming that this is a course that's 100% free, which I highly doubt it is, you might as well just sign up, take it, get your Google certification, so that way when you go your Google IT Support Professional certificate, I should say, not your certification. So that way when you go to take the A+, Net+, and Security+ for CompTIA, you won't go in there totally blindsided. You go in there very familiar with a lot of concepts. Let me look up how much this thing actually costs real quick. All right, here we go. What is this? Okay, this is published January 17th, 2020. So let's see how much it costs for this program. It says the first IT certificate, the first IT certificate the company released, which participants could achieve by completing the 5 online courses hosted on Coursera, was meant to prepare students for IT job. All right, it currently costs $49 a month, and it takes you upwards of 6 to 8 months to complete. Okay, so you're looking at $49 a month, ladies and gentlemen. That's not expensive. Most of y'all spend more than $49 in a single day on some pizza and some beer and some chicken wings on a Friday night. So $49 a month. That's not expensive at all. for you to go in and enroll and learn all the things that you're going to need to learn so that you can hopefully transition into a entry-level IT role doing, some IT support type of stuff. And it'll also help prepare you to pass the CompTIA A+ certification, which will then help you prepare for the Network Plus and the Security Plus. So I personally don't see it as a bad thing if you can afford the $49 a month, which I believe most people can, but I think it's a good thing to help you. I don't see it as a bad thing. Now, like I said earlier, don't go in there under the assumption that this is all you need to kickstart your career. Because like I said, you actually go out there and start applying for jobs, I highly doubt you're going to see a company offering a job. They're going to have one of the requirements saying that you need the Google IT support professional certificate. Maybe that'll change in the future. I don't know. But as of right now, I highly doubt you're going to see that. You're more than likely, you will see CompTIA, A+, Net Plus, and Security Plus, just for some entry-level type of jobs. But still, if you can afford the $49 a month, I say take the course. The more information that you can get to help you become confident so that you can properly prepare for these CompTIA certification exams, have at it. Like I say, I offer stuff on my website. I currently have the CompTIA IT Fundamentals, my own course up there talking about that. That stuff is going to lead directly into the A+, Net Plus, and Security Plus. I'm currently building out my A+ course right now, which will be on my Technology G website and on my YouTube channel. So the more courses or the more material that you can take to help you prepare for these certifications, the merrier, and it just drastically increases your chances of successfully passing these CompTIA exams on the first try. Because I've already went over some of the prices associated with these exams in previous videos. Some of this stuff can get pretty pricey depending upon what your finances are looking like. But I said, if you can afford the $49 a month to do this course for 6 to 8 months, by all means, do it. Do whatever you got to do to help you successfully pass so that you can kickstart your career in IT. All right, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is my thoughts on the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. I think you should go out there and try it if you can afford the $49 a month it is going to take for you to do that class for 6 to 8 months. Whatever you got to do to help kickstart your career, go out there and make it happen. But you can also kickstart your career by going to technologyg.com, where I have a lot of information up there to help get you guys moving in the right direction. So, I'm going to promote my own stuff. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, go ahead. If you like the content of this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and do all of that great, wonderful stuff, man. And this is your boy Tech G, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.